Okay, crafters, get your CDs that you don't watch, you don't need, and we're gonna make ourselves a snowman. So let's get started. Okay, I've already painted my CDs and glittered them. I just used the really coarse glitter, and we're gonna glue them together. And you want to put a good amount of hot glue to make sure that it's sturdy. And next, I'm getting out my beads to see what sizes I need, because they're going to get painted, so I want to make sure how many I need of what size. And for this step, you could use buttons as well. Like for the nose, I'm thinking of stacking up a couple beads to make it look like a carrot. But you could stack up buttons, like a big one with smaller ones on top stacking up to kind of make it three-dimensional where it stands off the body. So I think I'm going to use these 3 beads. And I'm going to go ahead and glue them together before I do the painting. I just want to lay everything out and make sure that I'm going to get the look that I want. I wasn't sure if these beads would be too small, but I really didn't have a better option. I didn't have just a little size in between. So obviously I'm going to paint most of the beads black, but I'm going to paint the orange. Paint the nose orange. And I'm just using acrylic paint. And while the beads are drying, I'm going to make myself a little Santa hat. And these hats from the Dollar General, they are $1. And I bought several of them so I would have them in my craft stash, because they're great for a lot of projects. I'm starting to love that Dollar General. After I've lived in this park for like 3 years and never shopped there, you know, unless it was emergency, need some milk for a recipe or something. But now I'm getting where I go there pretty regular, especially for Christmas crafts. They've had a lot of good deals. So I'm just turned under the edge and glued that, and glued down the side. And then I'm going to glue the hat down and glue my beads down. And one thing I'll tell you here, if you're going to use beads, make sure the bead's big enough that it overlaps the hole, so you have something to glue it to. So I'm just going to glue on all my beads. And I've got a little scrap from that hat that I cut off, and I'm going to ball it up with some hot glue in the middle for my little pom-pom for my hat. And this little scarf I got off of one of Jeffrey's toys. He doesn't really play with toys, but I keep getting them for him. He fakes me out when we're at Tractor Supply and acts like he really wants it, and then we get home and he doesn't care. So basically, it's done except for some arms. And then I'm going to put some ribbon on the hat. And I also need to make a stand for it. So I collected up these sticks in the yard. And my plan is to use some for the arms, like these two little ones. And then to use some sturdier ones to glue to the front and back of it, with some pine cones interspersed, and everything glued to the snowman to make him stand up. So we'll see how that works out. If it doesn't work out, he can just be a wall hanging. Or actually, he would be good for the center of a wreath if you're making a big wreath. So I'm going to put a ton of hot glue on this to make it good and sturdy. And then I have leaves and pine cones so I can disguise that glue. You know, cover over it. And that's about it. You just gotta glue your pine cones and your leaves, and he's done. So, Merry Christmas. Bye.